Hi, good afternoon. I just would like to share you my newest scotch. It's a Beeline Moto 2. Ito siya. Maliit lang siya, guys. This is how it looks like. It's actually GPS navigation na ginagamit ko sa aking motorcycle. It's a very slick design which already has everything you need during riding. Meron na siyang speed limit, meron na siyang sat-nav, yung satellite navigation, meron na siyang yung approach, if you're approaching to go somewhere left or right, sasabihin niya kaagad kung saang street. So hindi ka mawawala. Napakaganda, guys. Na-try ko na siya last weekend and super satisfied. Although medyo pricey nga siya. It costs €249. So it's around, magkano siya in peso? Around 50, more or less 15,000 in peso. Pero at least hindi ka na nagwo-worry kung ilalagay mo yung cellphone mo sa dashboard mo, which is napaka-risky. Kasi yung iPhone ko, nung unang gamit ko pa lang, talagang nasira na yung camera sa likod. Hindi naman sira, pero pag sira na nga. Kung gagamitin mo, parang nagbi-blink-blink siya. Buti okay pa sa harap. So with this Beeline Moto 2, you don't need to hang it over your dashboard, yung cellphone mo. Tapos napakalaki nung mga niya, guys. Let's try to open it para makita nyo kung how does it look like. Long press. Oops, yan. Ganyan siya. Yan. Tapos, pag yun, 99% yung niya. Battery. Tapos, options. So, kumpleto na siya, guys. All in. Napaka-slick na design. Then, yes. So, yeah. Mahal nga lang siya, pero worth it. Okay, so try nyo, guys. Super satisfied for sure. Parang medyo siya pricey, pero kung medyo minimalist ka, ayaw mo ng maraming nakasabit-sabit, then this is worth it for you. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.